Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook, okay? The first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook application and remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake, okay? Refresh your Facebook page, just like this. Then you'll want to click on the profile picture, okay? Then you will see the gear icon in the top right, okay? Just click on it. Please remember to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Then you'll want to scroll down and search content preferences, okay? There are some versions you will see newsfeed instead of content preferences, okay? Then you will see the unfollow button. Hit the unfollow button. Then you will see everybody that you follow here. You can filter it to see friends, groups, or okay, say I want to see just groups, okay? Then you can click it. Then anything that you want to do, you can unfollow pages, groups at once, okay? Then just unfollow them for peace of mind, okay? Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.